Hi everyone. So we are going with the Docmosis. Docmosis is a platform to convert the template in the Word format to a PDF, where we can add the dynamic field values. And so getting started with the Docmosis, we have taken a free trial. Actually, it's a community paid version. So we have taken a trial version over this, and I will going to showcase the how we are going to generate a template for the Docmosis, and then I will showcase everything like this. So first, coming to the Docmosis, we have to install the zip file from the website Docmosis. We are going to get the zip files with the Java jars. So we are going to add this to our just like this is a Java project which I have created. So in this the src, and you're going to add the dependencies in this project. Those are the two jars. These are the two dependencies I have added, and inside the main file I have the main class. This is the main class. So yeah, so this is the DTO. It's just a response of what the type of the data which I am passing to the template. So coming to the initially, after downloading the jar files and adding it to the project, you're going to have this class, simple class, where you're going to define the trial, I mean the key of that whichever you got from the email. Once you got created an account, you're going to get a key which is going to expose here, and then site, and then office path. So for to pass the template right to the PDF, you need this from the like LibreOffice and open office. Another one was there. So LibreOffice is the one which is going to pass the template. So you need this one. You have to externally download from the internet for the Windows application which I am using. So and then coming to this one, we are going to create a initialize the configuration, and we are going to pass the values, and then we are going to inputting the data. This is the main one which we are going to pass. So before going here, let me go through the how I have created my template. So this is my template basically. So here it would be like invoice, and here it would be number, date. Like these are the with less than character and greater than. This defines the dynamic parameter which we are passing in web application, and also in the which we can also pass in the here. So what we are in the Java. So what we are doing is we are going to we are creating an object of the data product builder, and we are just adding the key value pair. Key is nothing but a referencing the value of this one. Name is this one, number is, date is like that, and we are going to pass a value. And this is the date image. Basically the default placeholder it is you are going to get from the Docmosis. And what you are going to do is you're going to paste that image, and then after you paste, you're going to insert the bookmark. So double click on this, and just here, let's say you don't have anything. Let's say I'm going to delete. So here what you have to do is you have to add this img underscore. This tells the Docmosis to understand this is a image which user is going to place here. So we can pass the dynamic parameter. So image underscore is the constant which we need to give, and after that we can give any name whichever we need. So I'm going to give first image. So add. So let me check that. Yeah, we are going to add this one over here. That's all. So after we add, right, what we are going to do is we can also pass the image in three ways. One is with the URL, and another one is with the URL. One is with the URL. Another one is with the base 64. That entire lot of string. Okay, and another one is we can directly paste the URL of that image. These are the three ways which we can pass. So I haven't added here which we can also add here, but that is going to be a lot of big string. So I will show in the cloud web application. So what I have done is, so I have these fields, and coming to that table, right? So let's say you are going to have a table and you're going to have a lot of fields in this. So here rr underscore and er underscore, beginning of rr underscore is the beginning of the table data which you're going to expose, and er underscore is the beginning ending of the table data. And purchase is nothing but just a placeholder which you can place which you can give any name. So inside that we have a id and order id and item description, amount, status. So it's going to be purchase, which is an array of objects. Each object consists of id, order id, item, exactly this, following this convention of the whichever the name you had given. So I have created the same thing, name, number, date, and coming to here, right, purchase order, uh, just id, order id, item description, amount, this, and having constructor to initialize those values. And what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to create some objects with the data, initialize this, and then adding to a list. And after we adding, we have a which is providing a add java object. What it's going to do is it's going to take that array key, and then it's going to map to the like we are going to get a array of objects, right? Each object, it is going to map to the uh, particular table row. So this is the one of the thing, and you can also add a contact details over here dynamically, and also you can have a signature also. So this is a Docmosis of this one. So when currently I think, yeah, so here I don't have the template, right? Yeah, the template, the Docmosis whichever you are creating, right, template word file, you have to place it in the this folder which where you are going to open the project, java project. Okay, after you place this, you are going to run this one, going to run. So just run this file. Oh, it's already in running, just let me, it's going to the library which is the library office, which is going to parse this template and convert it into a pdf, and then store it in the current directory, this new document.pdf. This new document.pdf is the one which we have given the name over here. You can give any name, and you can also give the exact whatever the document you are placing. So if you go to the navigate to the particular data, we have got this one, new document. So here you can see that currently I haven't given image in that document. So in that java project it's not rendered. So apart from it, all fields are rendered. This is dynamically data which is rendering over here. And yeah, this is the overall of from the uh, yeah, from the java perspective. And if you coming to the web application, right, this is the web application. Let me showcase here. So this is the templates, images, all these things will be there. So here the templates which we are going to upload our document. So document file we are going to upload, just a minute. Yeah, so we have uploaded our document, word pad document, and then we are going to click the render. And if you click on the json, right, it is going to expect the data which you want to pass dynamically. Not only this one, so all these fields were there, address field, phone number, all these fields you can, like this is the table which you can pass. Name, let's say I want to give name as Docmosis. Okay, so from this json you had given, and then when you click on the render, right, you can select a different format also to generate the output. So after you click, it is automatically downloaded. So this is the image which I had given dynamically, and these are the values. So in place of the name, right, I have given Docmosis, right? So it got Docmosis like this, and these are the address, contact details values. We can also have a template in extra values following the same syntax which you have to define for dynamically parsing. Yeah. Thank you.